Okay, my last question is, ano ang worst breakup line para sa'yo?
Zach.
Worst breakup line. I'm sorry, you're not enough for me to grow. Siguro. Na parang we are both trying pero we are both not growing anymore. Yun.
Sorry, you are not enough for me to grow. Aaron.
I think something that really hurts kapag nag-break kayo pero sa text.
Anong line
Message.
yun?
Because through my experience, it was through text, and it was like, I'm sorry, but parang this isn't what I was looking for. And nagigets ko rin because over time, we become older, we become mature, and baka iba na rin yung hanap ng girl. So, I think that's painful.
Oh, yung sa text lang. Tapos,
This isn't what I was looking for.
Chris.
Siguro para sa akin, sorry pero mas gusto ko siya. Parang ganun. Kasi parang...
Sakit nga.
Kasi parang naging option ka na nga, hindi pa ikaw yung pinili.
Sakit. Nagkaganda namang sagot. Ikaw, ano yung pinaka-tsakang breakup line?
For me, you're the worst girlfriend. Hindi. Siguro yung sorry, pero mahal ko pa rin siya.
Rebound ka lang pala. Ako first yung K-bye.
Ganun lang.
Capital K, no?
Nakakabasura yun yung parang wala kang kakwenta-kwentang tao. Ganun lang yung K-bye. Yung, diba? Diba kahit naman
You're not even
maghiwalay
worth
ka,
an
gusto pa rin natin kahit
explanation.
paano yung maramdaman. Maghabol ka man lang kahit konti para maramdaman mong may value ka. O yung meron man lang explanation, yung may hurt man lang sa inyong dalawa. Diba? Pareho kayong... yung maghihiwalay kayo pero parehong masakit para sa inyo. Ibig sabihin may value kayo. Pero yung K-bye, yung nakakabasura.
Masakit dyan, ang dami mong sinabi.
Oo,
Lahat
tas
sinabi mo.
K-bye.
Parang yung 10 years na...
Oo. Good luck sa career mo ang sinugot sa kanya.